He's out of line, but he's right.
All right, so let me get this straight. According to resident PS fanboys like Amazing Lucas and other people of his ilk, the reason you have a problem with the Activision Blizzard merger is because you're using the Redfall defense, right? Redfall, arguably, not even arguably, just is a bad game. Okay, we get it. You think every game that Xbox puts out is going to be a Redfall coming from this point on because of the lack of quality. But it's been statistically proven through your videos that anything Microsoft does is considered bad because you are fanning the flames of a console war that is fizzing out slowly but surely. The fact that Sony has been complacent and has been milking old franchises over and over again have proven the point that you guys basically like the stuff that they do to you. Y'all like the abuse. You can't sit here and ever evoke Nintendo's name about milking and regurgitating stuff because we all know Nintendo's extremely anti-consumer when it comes to their classics. You know that. They might put out some new current stuff, but once that's out, it's there. You gotta wait for the next one. We're not gonna do so much preserving of it. We're gonna bring it out maybe a year or two later and still charge you a high price for it. But back on this whole Sony situation, a lot of the fanboys, you need to stop. It's been proven for quite some time that PlayStation hasn't been giving you quality games consistently. They've been giving you a quality game over and over and over again. And this whole thing with Activision Blizzard has proven a point that most of y'all play Call of Duty and y'all care more about that than your beloved franchises and first-party exclusives, which you only use to compare against Microsoft's first-party games. And you keep bringing up the fact that Microsoft don't have any exclusives because they cater to the PC. We know that already. Use something new. You can't, can you? And now that Microsoft is bound to acquire officially Activision Blizzard any day now, Sony's shortcomings have been exposed, and y'all are finding ways to cope.